Hello and welcome to Bentley on Tour. Who is Bentley, you may ask? Well, come with me, I'm going to show you around. So Bentley is a Fiat Ducato based Bessacarr E540, and let's have a look around the outside there. So we have an outside locker which is under one of the sofas in the lounge, and you can notice on the top got a full length awning here as well. Now what I like about this is it's in a recess, so rather than being on the outside of the van or on the top of the van like some of these awnings you see, this one is in a recess, so it cuts down on the wind noise, makes it a bit more efficient. Cab door there, which will take you into the habitation area, and vents here for the fridge, which you can look at later on. We've got twin reversing cameras on the back, and there's also a bike rack there. So around to the other side. Now the window is in the lavatory area, and you can see the cassette toilet door down below. Gas cupboard on the side here. Vent for the Truma. Water in there. So Fiat Ducato cab, huge great sunlight at the top, which we'll have a look at later as well. So very good condition when I bought it. It's a 10 reg, I've had it a year and a half. It done 16,000 miles in 10 years, so well looked after. So let's go and have a look inside. So as we come inside, Fiat Ducato cab, as I mentioned earlier, 2 captain seats which turn round. Cab is pretty standard, 6 gears, bit of aircon, pretty basic stereo system, but it works well. And then you see a nice big skylight above that, lets in plenty of light. As you come back, you can see the sofa on the left hand side. That is where you have storage underneath, so quite a big space underneath. Batteries are underneath that as well. A couple of cupboards above that, and then around to the right hand side, more cupboard space, something this van is certainly not lacking. And then there is a settee on this side, and this converts into a single bed, so plenty wide enough, 4 foot wide, 5'8", 5'10", 6 foot along, something like that. My feet dangle over the edge there, so plenty of space in the lounge area, and plenty of light as well. You've got another roof light in the middle there, so makes for a very sort of roomy area. So habitation door on the right hand side there, or left on the, as you look at it from the outside. Kitchen area, galley area, whatever you want to call it. So got a sink, bit of workspace there behind that, cupboards underneath, and then a full size cooker with a grill area, 3 gas hobs and 1 electric plate there, and microwave at the top, and as you can see, more cupboards surrounding that. The magic door, which I'll take you in a minute. To the left hand side here, more cupboard space, one for the table, huge cupboard next to that for various bits and pieces, and then full size fridge with a small freezer by that, and then plenty of cupboards above and below. And then this is probably the main reason why I bought this. Let's go and have a look inside here. So we're now into the washroom area. So as you can imagine, Thetford toilet, electric flush, nice bit of light coming in from the window there, and again another skylight which gives ventilation in here. Huge great cupboard in the corner, and then just to the right of that you've got the sink with cupboard space underneath and a nice mirror behind that. And then finally we have a huge shower. So you've got a walk-in area to the right hand side there, and then a fixed screen, plastic screen, where you have plenty of space in there. There's a light in there as well, and then your normal sort of shower area. So plenty of space to get yourself washed. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour around Bentley. My first motorhome, and looking forward to doing plenty of tours in this. We're currently at Bracelands campsite in the Forest of Dean, and looking to do many trips over the coming years. So hopefully you will come with me and enjoy the ride.